Alright, got a Mitsubishi mini split MUZ GE09 NA, and it's completely out of refrigerant. I'm thinking, see that oil? I'm thinking it's those flare fittings there. So we're going to pressurize it. Got my nitrogen, got my soap bubbles, and I'm going to throw some R410A in it as a tracer. See if we can find the leak. Hopefully it's there to be easy. Alright, well that wasn't too bad. As soon as I put my tracer gas in, I started noticing it leaking. So you can see the frost build up. Let's get it fixed. Guys, so we got our scale, our refrigerant set up. Manifolds over there. Got my super evac pump on it. And I need a new micron gauge, but this is what I've got here so far, and I'm pulling down to 860 already. Bouncing around. I need a new one. I hate this gauge. Anyways. That's it. That's all it was. That flare looked good, so all I did was tighten it back up, shot some soap bubbles on it. It held pressure, so we're good to go. Let's see what she's gonna put in and put out, temperature wise. Added our whole 1 pound 12 ounces. I added a little bit more just for my line loss in the hoses. Crank this thing up, get it going. I'll show you something here. This is something picked up at Mitsubishi. So if you're on your, this is going to be AC volts. You check power coming in. You got 243 AC. Then you check over here to go into your air handler, S1 and S2. Well, you get a better connection. So we got 243 the same AC. But if we flip it over to DC, from S2 to S3, you're going to read all these crazy voltages back and forth, back and forth. It'll be as low as 4 volts DC to as high as 24 volts. And that means it's communicating right now back and forth. So that's a good check to let you know that it's communicating. If you pull the wires off, you should get a solid 24 volt DC. And it can help you eliminate your communication. Now, something to note about that S3 terminal is, even though it's communicating, if we put it over here back to our AC, you're going to notice from ground to S3 is 120 volts AC. So that S3 will still bite you guys. Thought I'd let you guys know. But she's running right now. Look at that. Fan motor spinning in there. You can tell by the shadow right there. Quiet as can be. What you're probably hearing is that freaking pool pump. And that's it, guys. She's a wreck. And that's how you carry the eye manifold.